Introducing Print Papa Idea Package. This package consists of 30 different items and let's see what's in there. Once you get this package, you will get exposed to all these 30 different items, and see right here, these are all the different things that you will get. We have business cards, shaped cards, labels, wristbands, flyers, envelopes, invitation, door hangers, hang tags, plus more. So get this sample kit idea package, and that way you'll get a feel of the paper. The product has these following things. It will tell you the size, what paper was used, and whether it was UV coated or not. For example, this is a 3x3 flower printed on 14-point gloss with UV coating. So you can get a feel of the paper, how it feels, and also it shows you a little bit information about the different sizes available or shapes available on the website. So get this sample kit and order it online, and we'll send it to you. And that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching.